Milo the Funny Monkey. Milo was a little monkey who loved bananas more than anything. One sunny day, Milo saw a big bunch of bananas hanging from a tree. He climbed up quickly, but oops, he slipped and landed on a pile of leaves. Ha ha. That was fun. Milo laughed. He tried again, but this time, a butterfly landed on his nose. Achoo! Milo sneezed so hard that he almost fell again. Finally, Milo reached the bananas. He shared them with his friends and danced a silly banana. Everyone laughed and clapped. Milo said, "Life is better when you share."